BlockBlast tips and tricks. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So let's talk about tips that we could do with BlockBlast over here. So as you can see right now, I have a new game, and what I would recommend that you guys do, especially at the start of the game, is to plan out which lines are you going to clear, because at the start you will have random stuff like this, but you could put in your different blocks in different places. But what I would recommend you do is that you clear as much block as you can at the start, since it's going to help you with your next batch over here. Over here, I would recommend that you save tricky blocks over here for last, since sometimes you could get mistakes, or you could do mistakes that could not let you put blocks like this one over here. Although this is a very easy block, there could be some blocks like the 3x3 blocks that would make it difficult for you to put. So for example, let's put it here and this one there. What I also recommend that you guys do is you do as many combinations as you can. So if possible, if you are able to clear a line, do it, because it could improve your points greatly. Now over here, for example, we have this. I would do first is to clear this. I could put the other two options, but I would recommend that you first clear so you have more space to work on over here. So for example, this one, then clear. So the more combos that you have, the higher your points would be. As you can see, you will be able to get as much points as possible. Also keep in mind, especially with the long blocks like this one, don't put them right away. Think about where you would put it, because sometimes you could easily mistake a space and you won't be able to utilize this as much as you can, or as much as you need. So for example, this one, I could have put it anywhere I want, but I chose to have a slot over here that would clear it. So over here, let's do the same thing. There we go. Just clear or keep clearing. We could also clear up some sections over here. Also, you will see some blocks over here. So what I would recommend is that you try your best to be able to remove this, because they could give additional points for you, as you can see. So just keep doing that, and if possible, if you can, you could clear the entire space over here, which will give you an additional points. So that's basically it, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.